Dear students, welcome back to my channel. This video for the students of class 4B. I hope all of you are keeping well. You know, we are in the chapter multiples and the factors, and in the previous video we already have started the exercise 7.2, and now today we will finish the some problems which are left. That is, today we will find the factors of some numbers. In the previous video we have find out found out that HCF, that is the highest common factor of uh, the given numbers. So now today in exercise 7.2, that is in your page number 109, we will do the question number 6, that is write in the missing factors to complete these factor trees. The first one has been done for you. So let us start. In 6 number A, how did they solve? Here it is the factor tree. It is called factor tree. At the top it is given 16, and now this is a one branch. It is given 2. That means you are dividing 16 by 2 and you are getting 8. Again there is another branch, that is here it is given 2. That means you are dividing 8 by 2 and you are getting 4. In the similar manner we are getting another 2. So these are called the trees, factor of trees. Now we will apply the same logic for the question number B. It is given 56 in the top, and in one branch 7 is given. Now what I have done in the A, that means you have to divide 56 by 7. Then you will get 56 by 7, you will get 8, right? 7 8 is 56. Now there is another branch. You have to divide 8 by 2, then you will get 4, right? Now again if you divide 4 by 2, you will get another branch with 2, right? I think you have understood. Now C number 18 in the top. In one branch 2 is given, and if you check, if you divide 18 by 2, you will get 9. So 9 is given. So now what you divide by 9? Yes, obviously 3. So you will get another 3 in the another branch. Now D number, it is given 100 and it is divided into two parts, 25 and 4. 25 into 4 is 100. 25 4 is 100. Now you have to break out 25. So you will get 5 and 5. 5 5s of 25. Similarly you have to break 4. So 2 2s are 4. Right? So this is the factor trees. Okay. Now 7 number. Find all the factors of the given numbers and do all these numbers have a common factor? If yes, so write on the blanks. Okay. Now question number A, 12. In the top the number is 12 and you are getting 6, but the divisor is not given. If you divide 12 by 6, you will get 2 division fact, because you are finding out the divisor. Here the dividend and the quotient is given. when the dividend and quotient are given and you have to find the divisor, you have to divide dividend by quotient, so you will get the divisor, right? Now you have to break 6 into 2 branches, 2 3s are 6, or you can tell 2 and 3 are the factors of 6, right? Similarly, for question B, since 9 is given and you have to find this circle, which number will come in the divisor? So I told you, you have to divide 18 by 9, you will get 2. Similarly, if you divide 9 by 3, you will get another 3. Basically, they are the factors of 9. C number 16, and it is divided into 4 and 4 because 4 4s are 16. And if you divide 4 into 2 factors, you will get 2 2s are 4. Similarly, 2 2s are 4. And for question number D, it is given 20 and it is already breaks out by 2. That means you are dividing 20 by 2 and you will get 10. Similarly, if you divide 10 by 2, you will get 5. Now, in 7, factors of 12 will be, from this tree we can say 2, 3, 6 and 12. From B number we can say factors of 18, 2, 3, 9 and 18. For 16, for C, 2, 4 and 16. Factors of 20, 2, 5, 10 and 20. Okay, so you can say common factors of 12, 16, 18 and 20 is 2, because 2 is in common, right? And this is all about exercise 7.2. Okay, now it is not finished. Now look at the page number 110. There is an example. Look at the example given below and write the missing numbers in each of the number strip that follows, and also write the matching multiplication. If you check 2 1, right, so they are writing 2. Similarly 2, because they are collecting 1 and 1 and they have written 2. Similarly, they are doing the same thing, and again it is given in the box 5 and 5, 5 and 5, that is 4 5. So 4 5s are 20. So basically the factors of 20 are given with the set of factors, right? So we have to fill up the question number B. You have to put first box. It is given in each box the number will come 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 1, right? Because if you add 1 1 and 1, you will get 3. Here you will get 3, here you will get 3, and 3 3 is a 9, right? So here are how many ones are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So you have to write here 9 into 1. So you are getting 9. 9 ones are 9. Now, if you add them, this 3 1, you will get 3. Similarly, if you do the same thing, you will get 3 3s. That means you are getting 3 3s are 9. Then if you add them all, you will get 9. So they are basically only 1 9. So 1 into 9, you will get 9. Okay. So factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. Right. Similarly, question number C, very interesting problem. Here you have to get 10. So you know there will be how many 10? Obviously 10 1. If you count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So in this first, here will be 10 into 1 because there are 10 ones. So you are getting 10 into 1 10. And if you add these 2 ones, you will get 2. Similarly, in the same manner, if you do the same logic, if you apply the same logic, you will get 2 and 2. And if you count, there are 5 2. That means 5 into 2. So 5 into 2 is 10. And if you add 2 2 and 2 and a half, that means here will be 5 and here will be 5. So there are how many 5s? 2 5s. So 2 into 5. And here is only 1 10. So 1 into 10. So factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. So similarly, in question number D, I am doing or I am applying the same logic. In the first box, it will be 1. How many ones will come? 28 ones. Because the number is 28. If you count, you can check, there will be 28 ones. So 28 into 1. Right? Then it will be 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 and 2. And if you check, there will be 14 2. So 14 into 2, you will get 28. Then again, if you add 2 and 2, you will get 4 4 4 4 4 4 and 4. Right? And you will, if you count, there will be 7 4. You know, 7 4 is the 28. Again, here will be 7 7 7 and 7, because addition of 4 7, you will get 28. That means 4 7s are 28. You know, it will be 7 plus 7 is 14 and 7 plus 7 is 14. There will be 2 14s. That is 2 4s are 2 14s are 28, and there is 128. So you have to 1 in 28, you will get 28. So factors of 128 are 1 2 4 7 14 28. Okay, so this is all about 7.2. Now, divisibility test. Divisibility test. When you would say a number is exactly divisible, a number is said to be exactly divisible by another number when you are getting remainder as 0. That means you are not getting any remainder. Okay, when then you can say a number is exactly divisible by another number. Suppose I am taking 14 divided by 7. So if you divide 14, you will get 2, because 7 2s are 14. So is there any remainder? No, the remainder is 0. So no remainder left. That means 14 is completely divisible by 7. Now you can say, by the divisibility test, 7 is the factor of 14. 2 is also the factor of 14. If a number is completely divisible by another number, then smaller number will be the factor of the bigger number. Now, divisibility by 2. How can you say that a number is divisible by 2? If the numbers are even, then you can easily tell them the number is divisible by 2. I am repeating again. If the number is even number, then you can say that the number is divisible by 2. Suppose I am taking 148. Is it divisible by 2? Yes, because this is an even number. How did you say this is even number? Because this number ends with 8. You know, when a number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the number is called even number. Since in this question it is given 148, so this is even number, and by divisibility test by 2 we can check it is divisible by 2. If you don't believe, then divide 148 by 2. If the remainder is 0, then you can say it is completely divisible by 2. So you have to take 14 as a dividend. So 2 sevens are 14, and bring down 8, and 2 fours are 8. Even you are getting remainder as 0, right? So 148 is divisible by 2. So when you say it is divisible by 2, if the number is even number, right? Shortly, if the number is an even number, then we can say it is divisible by 2. Okay, now divisibility by 3. When we can say it is divisible by 3? Suppose I am taking 3225, that is 3225. Is it divisible by 3? You have to check if it is completely divisible by 3. That means you are not getting that means you are getting 0 as a remainder, then it is completely divisible by 3. But here, at a glance, how can you check that it is divisible by 3 or not? In this case, there are 4 digits. In this case, there are 4 digits. So digits are 5, 2, 2 and 3. Add them. Simply add them. That means 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5. Right? So 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. And 7 plus 5 is 12. If the sum is divisible by 3, then you can say this number 3225 is divisible by 3. Since 12 is divisible by 3, then the number will be divisible by 3. If I give you 4285, that means the number 4285, is it divisible by 3? So how can you solve? Simply add the digits. That means 4 plus 2 plus 8 plus 5. You will get the sum. 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2, 6 plus 8 is 14, and 14 plus 5 is 19. You can check 19 is not divisible by 3. So is not divisible by 3. So the number, it is not divisible by 3. So let us check. 4285, divide. 3 ones are 3, 12. 3 fours are 12. Bring down 8. 3 twos are 6, and bring down 5. 3 eights are 24. You are getting 1 as a remainder, but you have to get the remainder 0, but you are getting 1. That's why 4285 is not divisible by 3. So what is the process? At first you have to add the digits of the number, and you are, after getting the sum, if it is divisible by 3, then whole number will be divisible by 3. So this is the process to check the divisibility of 3, right? Now divisibility of 4. How can you check it is divisible by 4 or not? Suppose I am taking 7248. In this case, this is a 4-digit number, right? You have to take the ones place and the tens place digit, that is 48. Ones place and tens place, you have to take these last 2 digits, that is 48. If 48 is divisible by 4, then the whole number will be divisible by 4. Yes, 48, if you divide 48 by 4, you will get 12. Yes, 48 is divisible by 4. So we can say the number 7248 is divisible by 4. So this is the process. So a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the digits at its tens and the ones place is divisible by 4, then we can say it is divisible by 4. Since the last 2 digits are 48, so the number is 48, and 48 is divisible by 4, so you can say the number 7248 is divisible by 4. So this is the way to check it is divisible by 4 or not. Okay, and that's all for today. Next video we will discuss about divisibility by 5, 10 and 9. Okay, thank you.